We're here tonight to celebrate the Champions of Character within our sports community here in Fairfax County. It's annually one of our favorite events for our department. There'll be hundreds of people here in the Government Center Forum to really celebrate all that is right and all that is good with our youth sports community in Fairfax County, and really trying to celebrate both our children, our coaches, our parent volunteers, league organizers that really go out of their way to ensure that we have a very strong, vibrant sports community, and that it's built on very strong foundations of high character for the kids and for the organizations as a whole. I'm really excited that Fairfax County does something like this in terms of honoring character in the community with our youth sports. I'm a product of the youth sports community. I'm also currently a contributor through being a parent and a volunteer coach, and I see firsthand the outcomes that we see as building a healthy community through our youth sports programs, especially through character development, but keeping kids physically active in this day and age with computers and iPhones, to be able to have them have outdoor opportunities, to be able to engage in physical activities is positive. So really, youth sports does so much for the development of the total child, not just the athlete. I think a lot of times people think that youth sports is all about developing the next LeBron James, the next Robert Griffin III. It's really about developing good character kids for the future of our community. Because the majority of these kids are not going to play professional sports, but they are going to be in our community, they're going to be working in our schools, they're going to be working in our businesses, and the more we can do to develop, the total child, that's what we think youth sports brings to the community here in Fairfax County.